Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, solid-state drive if installed, system board, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the right display panel hinge off of the alignment pins and remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel in the right hinge cover. At an angle, slide the right display panel hinge out from underneath the lip of the display enclosure. Remove the right display panel hinge. The left display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Partially slide the right display panel hinge under the lip on the display enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel in the right hinge cover. Place the right display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. The left display panel hinge is replaced in the same manner.